Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the battery in your 2022 to 2024 BMW 3 Series key fob. This key fob takes one CR2032 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description where you can pick one up. So to swap out this battery, we won't need any special tools. We'll just need to remove the physical key. To do that, we need to press this button here on the back of the key fob and then pull down on this silver part. So if we press and pull down, it loosens up and then you can pull it straight out from the side. Next, we will press on the physical key right here to swing it out, and then we can remove it. And then right here is our battery tray. And if you look from the top, there is a small gap here where you can stick in the physical key and just twist it to slightly pull out this tray. And if you pull it out, it exposes our 2032 battery. So we can get rid of our old battery, swap it out with our new one with the positive side facing down in this little housing. Then we can slide it back into the key fob, press it in. Then we can replace our physical key, slide that back in. And then we need to replace this metal piece. And it actually gives you instructions here on the key fob how to replace it. You kind of slide it down and then up. And so slide it down and then up, and it clicks. And you're finished. And so hopefully this video helped you in swapping out your battery in your BMW key fob. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.